Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this guide, I will show 3 built-in ways to see disk usage on Windows 10. First, learn the Settings app view, then File Explorer details, and finally Disk Cleanup and tools. Each method reveals different details for free space, used space, and large file locations. I will explain where to click, what numbers mean, and how to interpret storage breakdowns. Follow along to free up gigabytes, understand storage categories, and make informed cleanup decisions on your PC. Open Settings, then choose System and Storage to see a breakdown in gigabytes. The screen lists categories like Apps, System, Temporary Files, and Documents with exact sizes. Click a category to see the largest folders and installed apps using space on your drive. Turn on Storage Sense to automatically remove temporary files and manage recycle bin content after 30 days. Configure cleanup thresholds and schedule to remove files older than a set number of days. Open File Explorer, then right-click the drive and choose Properties to see used and free space in gigabytes. Use the Disk Cleanup button in Properties to remove temporary, system, and update files and free several gigabytes. For detailed folder sizes, use built-in folder properties or a third-party analyzer to locate files larger than 1 GB. Run these tools periodically and empty the recycle bin to maintain at least 10% free space for.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.